Good morning everyone, my name is Mr. Nash and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I've created a short video just showing the switchgear inside my Nash. So as always, enjoy the video. Any comments, please comment below. Without further ado, let's go inside. Let's start from the left and work our way across. First, you have your left indicator or turn signal. Then you have your right turn signal or indicator. Then you have your high beam or full beam, which is indicated by a blue light. In the stack, we have rev counter, maximum power 6,200 RPM. Below, we have the speedometer, shows 142 miles at the moment. I put the steering wheel below so you can actually see the whole cabin. Two red buttons. Left-hand button, line lock, helps you with your burnouts, locks the front wheels. Then, also with the burnout, you have the water feature. It pours distilled water or sprays distilled water on the rear wheels, help you with your burnout. Orange light, that just tells me that there's power coming from the battery and powering the car. Then we have oil pressure, water temperature, oil temperature, volts, and of course fuel. And this moves very quickly in the wrong direction. On the toggle switches, we have main, that gives all the power to the car. We then have fuel, we then have fuel pump, we then have fan, we have ignition, then we have the fun button. That's the, of course, the engine start button. Below, we have the Elite RPM switch. It shows 62, which means 6,200. Transmission will automatically switch up. Hopefully you can see all these buttons here. The top one is the flamethrower button, keeps people away from the car. Then we have the loud mode, we have the quiet mode. These are ones for the exhaust systems. Then of course you have the horn. Moving on to the transmission, park, reverse, neutral, and of course 1, 2, and 3. Here you can't quite see them, but we have a USB port and we then have a 12 volt port where you can put 12 volt things in there. Then we have the glove box original, and of course finally you have the ashtray with the original ashes seems to be in there at the moment. So this covers the main switchgear for the car.